this shit dead. She lives. I honestly forgot how fun this car is. It's been maybe 4 months, 5 months since I've driven it, which is, I think, a record for me because I usually drive it once a month. But yeah, this thing's complete opposite of my IS300. That's gonna be it for today's video. Over the past 7 or so years of ownership of the S2000, this is the first time the car has died on me, but it's not really a surprise because ever since I got the IS300, the S2000 has been neglected, and it's still my dream car on my dream wheels, but now I just feel like I should appreciate it more. I haven't driven it, haven't started it, which is why the battery died. But I shifted my focus onto the IS300 just because I wanted to get into drifting with Outsider and learn that experience. But I know in the future I want to get into grip driving as well, and that's where the S2000 will shine once again. But for now, it's just gonna stay a garage queen, and I'm just gonna hopefully start driving it once a week, once a month, just more often than I was in the past. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and happy holidays. Spend time with your loved ones. But I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.